Pick a chicken, any chicken.
This chicken is awake. Are we all in accordance here? We all believe this chicken is awake?
Yes.
I will now take this chicken with voice and motion. I will put it into a deep hypnotic state. Be very quiet. I need absolute silence. I need absolute silence. You are getting sleepy. You are getting sleepy. You are getting sleepy. I will raise my hand. On the count of 5, we will go into a deep trance. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have a shot of it? On the count of 3, you will wake up. 1, 2, 3. Chicken hypnotist to the stars.